My first impression of this bag is that it's very lightweight. And the other thing I always look when I buy purses are the zippers. These are quite heavy duty and very comfortable on your fingers. A quick disclaimer, I received this product free to try, but I'm really impressed. So here is the longer strap. It has that middle part here where you can make it into a backpack, and it's very easy and quick to do. The other thing I'm always very interested in purses is how many pockets does it have. So this is the back pocket, and medium-sized phone will fit. It's up to here. The bottom, the front pocket is great because I always keep my little coins here so I can have quick access. And on the sides, I like putting my glasses because I need them quickly, especially sunglasses in the summer. They just go perfect. They fit perfectly here. And my wallet also goes just fine inside. There's also a zippered pocket and two smaller pockets here with no zippers, which is great. And on both sides there are those small pockets here where I like my sunglasses to go. And looks great. The material is very soft and it feels very nice to the touch.